Well, here we are at CJD Trucks in Darwin, our Isuzu representatives up here. After 6 days really on the road, it's fantastic to finally arrive here at our final destination, though it is a bit warm. We've got the trucks unloaded, we're about ready to go find a nice cold beer. But just reflecting on the last 6 days, it's been a fantastic journey, travelling up the centre of Australia. We've had plenty of company along the way with journalists, including Kobe Bartels, Peter Shields and John Thompson. We've had IML representatives, our colleagues from Japan with us, plus obviously our fantastic team at Arcajon that put all this magic together. They make me look good, which is great. So I'm ready for a cold beer, but as I said, it has been a fantastic journey. The country's looking beautiful. I hope people get out there and enjoy it because we're so lucky what we have here in Australia. So that's a wrap for me for this run up the centre. Thoroughly enjoyed it. The next trip after Darwin, we're off to Cairns. So we're cutting across the top of Australia, which is going to be another fantastic journey, and we'll be sure to capture plenty of footage along the way.